Okay, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to write a function that uses an if-else statement. This little app lets the user input a number and then reports whether it's even or odd. We're going to have an isEven function. We're going to use a local variable to hold our input from the text box, and the reason for using a local rather than just using the input operation here is that I need to use it in several places. If n is even, then we report n is even, else we report n is odd. So now here's our isEven function. It works just like this. So this says take the remainder of dividing x by 2, where x is your parameter, and then compare that to 0. So if that is 0, then you're returning true. If it's not 0, you're returning false. That's a shortcut way of doing it. What if I wanted to use an if-else? I can't fit this if in there, right? It doesn't fit. So I need another if, and I do have one here, and it's an if-else. I can put now this expression in here, if the remainder equals 0, and then what do? I return true in the first case, so logically I return true, otherwise I return false. So the main point here is you need to have this special shaped if because it has to plug into the results slot in a function. So we don't need that. Let's go over and test this now. 65683, that's odd. And what about if I put a couple of even numbers on the end of there? 6568838 is even. Okay, so that works very nicely.